Okay, here we go for the third video. So I will use test light to check the operating coil of relay. So okay, so check this relay. Okay, it's good. It's operated. Okay. Just take a look the red LED light. If the LED light is lit or on, that's mean the operating coil so that means there is a power inside this relay. Okay, so I connect the plug. To power outlet. So okay, so the green light connected in the normally close. So it's on. But if I use this test light to activate the coil, the operating coil, the green light will off and the blue light will on. So let's see. Okay, so the green light is off and the blue light is on, because the normally close becomes normally open, and the normally open become normally close. Okay, so I will disenergize I will disconnect the power into the power operating coil. So okay, now that, so it's very simple. Just take a look the wire. So okay, and take a look the connection. So you see this? so that that is the basic installation, but you will learn about the relay switch and the connection of light. So okay, so this is the last video for this connection, so installation. So let's test again. So okay, you see, so check the test bulb. Okay, so again, for the second time around test. Okay, so that's all for this subject. Okay, so I will cut the video for the final installation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you will enjoy. Just always remember that the tutorial of this electrical installation is not for the people who knows all about the motor control and people expert on electrical technologies or electrical installation. It's just for a people who don't know what he do to install the electrical device like this relay and lights, terminal block, how to use this test bulb, just for the people who don't know. The people needs of the other people to install of this device. So that's all. So for the expert electrician, technician, or electrical personnel, you can watch even you don't want to listen. Okay, thank you.